Want to get started producing imaging in Adobe Audition, but you don't want to splurge on my full Adobe Audition presets package? No worries, you need to try Mic Sparkle. This is the original preset I've been using for decades now to make voices sound better, and also a few other effects thrown in to really get you started on your audio imaging and production journey. Let's take a look at how they work. So it's a multi-track template. I can set up an input here, like for instance my microphone channel, and record an imaging voiceover. This is the best music. And there we go, there's a simple imaging voiceover. The original sounds like this. This is the best music. But with Mic Sparkle, let's have a listen to the difference. This is the best music. Nice sparkle to it. I can also bring it down here, roll off the bass. This is the best music. And get a cool roll off there, or chorus for a stereo effect. This is the best music. And I've also got available to me an SFX channel to put in some sound effects. So I'm using the Music Radio Creative Production Library. Let's drag in a few here. And we'll create a very small and quick jingle to show you how easy it is to use the Mic Sparkle presets to get exactly the desired outcome. So we'll do this is, and then we'll have a pause here and put the best music. So we'll use the roll off bass preset to start with. Let's trim that up. And then finally we'll use chorus for the last bit. And let's listen with the sound effects channel. This is the best music. And it's as simple as that to use Mic Sparkle presets, now available at a very reasonable price for Adobe Audition. Create your own audio imaging and get started right away.